To fun food fashion. It's the month of February, and February means different days: rose days, chocolate days, Valentine's Day, blah 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 days. So in this chocolate day, instead of spending so much money on buying chocolate, why don't you go easy on your pocket and make some homemade chocolate and impress your loved one? Well, this will not only be easy on your pocket, also because you are making these homemade chocolates, that will be something special. Some love will be incorporated in that, so that chocolate is going to be so much special, isn't it? So without further saying, let's get started. Yeah, you guessed it right, we're going to make homemade chocolate in today's video, and I'm going to post back to back 2 days for this chocolate day recipes. First, I'm going to do for the beginners who cannot, who can't even think of making chocolate and think that it's a very, like tough job. So for them, I'm going to do the basic chocolate recipe with dark chocolate, which is easy to handle today. So today we are going to make dark chocolate, almond and pistachio homemade chocolate. Okay, let's get started without further saying. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new, and also don't forget to like, share and comment on the comment section below. For making this homemade dark chocolate, I have taken MoUmI dark compound chocolate. It is a 400 grams pack and it contains 4 blocks. Each of them are 100 grams, and it cost me only 80 rupees for 400 grams. Now I have taken a block, 100 gram block, and cut some parts, and I have taken only 75 gram of the chocolates, and then I am going to cut it into small pieces. I have taken this for the first chocolate recipe. We are going to make 2 types of chocolate. So I am going to use microwave because I think I find microwave is easier one and less time consuming. But if you don't have microwave, you can definitely do it on a gas oven top using double boiler. Double boiler means just take a bowl and fill it with just a little bit of water, let it come to simmer, and take another bigger bowl and place it over the previous bowl and melt the chocolate in it over low flame. Okay, and cut the chocolate into very small pieces. It will be easier to melt them, otherwise the chocolate has a tendency to burn. So here I have taken the microwave bowl and I'm going to microwave it for like 1 minute 30 seconds, and I'm going to stir them in middle. Like after 30 seconds I'll stir them again, after 30 seconds I'll stir them. That way 3 times I'll do that and it will melt easily. Now while my microwave chocolate is melting, here I have taken some almonds, 20 grams of almonds and 20 grams of pistachio. I am going to roast them over microwave for 2 minutes, flipping them in the middle after 1 minute. You can do it over gas oven top as well. Now they are roasted, let them be there, and our chocolate is melted as well. So we need to temper this for 1 to 2 minutes like this. That means we have to cool it down just a little bit. How will you know that it's tempered? Just take a little bit of chocolate on your lower lip. If you feel it's not too much hot, that means the chocolate is tempered. It's a very essential process for making homemade chocolate or any chocolate, tempering. So it's done. Now we are going to fill our molds. I have taken a hexagonal mold, plastic mold. If you have silicone mold, you can definitely use it. Okay, now I have put some chocolate and then I have put 1 almond, 1 roasted almond there, and then cover it with some more chocolate. And I am going to do the same with the rest. Making homemade chocolate is very easy. Just you have to make sure you don't burn the chocolate, don't overheat them, otherwise you will ruin the chocolate, or you can burn the chocolate. That's it. Otherwise you can make them very easily. Now it's done. Tap them so that the upper portion is same, equal, and now freeze them for 30 minutes. Now for the second batch of chocolate, here I have taken that roasted almonds and pistachio, which I have told you how I have roasted them. Now cut them into small pieces, fine pieces, as fine as you can. See, I am cutting them into fine pieces. You can use any kind of nuts you want. You can use walnuts or raisins or cashew nuts, anything. Now they are done. Keep it on a plate. Now here I have taken some more dark chocolate. I have added 40 grams more dark chocolate and melted them. Now here I am going to take all the nuts and mix them with the chocolate nicely. Next, I have taken another plastic mold which have several different kinds of shapes, and I am going to fill them. This is very easy. These two are the easiest way to make homemade chocolate. There is nothing to do, but yet it's a lot much cheaper and tastier, and also when you gift it to your loved one, they will definitely love it because you have made some effort for them. So in this chocolate they make sure you give your loved one this homemade chocolate. Now tap them as well so that the upper part is even. Now if there is any excess chocolate, remove them or clean them with your finger. Making chocolate can be some way is messier. Now freeze them for 20 minutes and they're done. After 20 minutes, see the chocolates have hardened. Now tap and they will release the mold. See our ice crystal shaped chocolate. Doesn't it look so nice? I'm going to place it over a plate. You can definitely gift wrap them. Now I'm going to unmold the second batch. Again, just flip and tap, and they will be release the mold. And again I'm going to place it over a plate. But you can, as I said, you can gift wrap them in fancy papers. You find that fancy color gift wrapping papers or in aluminium foil, and you can gift it to your loved ones or your friends. Isn't it so nice? So make this homemade chocolate, enjoy with your family, and also gift it. This will be very much cheaper on your pocket. So there goes our chocolate. Doesn't it look so delicious and mouth-watering? I can't wait to dig into that. Well, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please like, share and comment on the comment section below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.